When you're selecting an E-2 visa attorney, it's very important to pick an attorney who has extensive experience in E-2 visa cases. And the reason is that the E-2 visa law is incredibly ambiguous. It's very generic. For example, it doesn't say how much investment qualifies. It simply states you have to make a substantial investment. It also doesn't say what kind of business qualify, other than saying that it can't be a marginal business. Now, it takes a lot of experience to understand the nuances of what is a qualifying business based on the investment amount. What is an appropriate investment amount for that type of industry, for that type of business model? This is based on real life experience. In addition, it's very important for the attorney to have extensive experience with small business investment. I'm talking about investments less than $1 million. And the reason is that the knowledge, the expertise, and strategies are very different between small businesses for E-2 visa qualification versus large businesses, publicly traded companies, billion-dollar companies. Those type of businesses trying to qualify their personnel for the E-2 visa is extremely different in terms of strategy, knowledge, and expertise for small businesses. My law firm predominantly represents small businesses. So this is in our, at so far, nearly 700 cases that we have done. They're all small cases, small business E-2 investments. Prior to starting my law firm, I used to work for a large law firm where we represented publicly traded companies, billion-dollar companies, and I did E-2 visa in those contexts as well. That's why I understand the distinction between E-2 visa strategy of a small business investment versus a large corporation. So having small business E-2 visa experience is pivotal to helping you craft the right strategy for your E-2 visa qualification. For more information regarding the E-2 investor visa, please feel free to visit my website, e2visalawyer.net. We have a plethora of free information, including blogs, videos, and FAQs on all the top questions that you need to know.